For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Border tensions between India and China has been wreaking havoc for the past week or so. The two countries have been at loggerheads on the border for quite some time. There was a border face-off between Chinese troops and Indian troops in the Galwan Valley on June 15th. Around 20 Indian soldiers and several Chinese soldiers were killed in the Himalayan region last week. This battle was said to be the deadliest conflict between the two nations in 53 years. Now, in the latest development, UK has waded into the border face-off between India and China in Ladakh. The British government has urged the two neighbouring countries to refrain from violence and engage in dialogue. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said in the House of Commons that Britain was encouraging both sides to engage in dialogue on border issues. Earlier this week, the two sides publicly agreed to cool down the situation. The UK government has termed the standoff between India and China as very serious and worrying. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has called on India and China to engage in dialogue to resolve the worrying standoff. Perhaps the best thing I can say is that we are encouraging both parties to engage in dialogue on the issues on the border and sort it out between them. Tom Tugendhat, chairman of the Foreign Affairs Committee, the select committee which scrutinizes the Foreign Office, tweeted on the issue. This is a clash between the two largest nations, both nuclear powers, and it is a deep concern. We have to work with partners to reduce tensions. The consequences of escalation are too serious. China's incursion into Indian territory leading to the death of 20 soldiers is a major escalation of the border dispute. We need to defuse the tensions, and that means recognizing international borders. My condolences are with the families who have paid a terrible price. India and China held military-level talks during which they discussed in detail the developments in the India-China border areas, in particular the situation in eastern Ladakh. The two sides also agreed to maintain communication both at the diplomatic and military level. That also includes the framework of working mechanism for consultation and coordination to resolve the existing situation peacefully. However, research analysts feel that Boris Johnson's response doesn't make a difference as the UK shares a very complex relationship with China. The Prime Minister's response does not really say very much, perhaps reflecting the UK's own complex relationship with China. While in India, its anodyne nature could be viewed as not doing enough to highlight China's incursions along the border. New Delhi has seemed to prefer quiet support over public statements from its partners in order to prevent escalation. Many people in India and China are hoping that the border issues are sorted as soon as possible. With the UK trying to mediate, all one hopes for is a better relationship between India and China. Everyone is hoping for better progress in the months to come.